Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to make Microsoft Edge look clean and minimal, removing the clutter so that your web browser feels smooth and distraction free. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, as you can see, this is my Microsoft Edge. So now it is looking something like this. In order to make changes into it, simply click on this gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. From here, you can select the quick link and search. So currently it is only for the one row, but you can also click on this drop down menu and make it for two rows. You will see the preview in the left hand section, so you can just keep on changing it. After that, we have the show sponsored links. So these are the sponsored links. So if you want them, just keep them. But if you don't want them, you can just turn this toggle button off. After that, we have open a new window tab. So for me, I have just turned it off, but you can also turn it on. Next, we have the option of show content. So this is the content that you are viewing it over here. If you don't want to see it, you can simply click on this toggle button and you can turn it off. So as you can see, now it is looking very good. You can just make it as a full page, partial view, or headings. So whichever feed you want, you can just simply select it. For now, I'm gonna keep it as it is. If you want to edit the background, simply click on the option of edit background. From the given backgrounds, you can choose any of these. The best part is that you can also make the live wallpapers here. As you can see, this is the videos, so you can click on it and you can turn it on. If you want to keep on changing the background every single day, you can also turn this toggle button on and it will just save the changes. Now as you can see how minimalist our Microsoft Edge is looking, so you can tweak and make it according to you. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.